How does the new Touareg cope with an extremely challenging route? 16,500 kilometers in 21 days, passing through 11 countries, across slippery ice, through canyons, and along hair-raising off-road tracks. Rainer Zietlow and his team took on this extensive road trip. Zietlow is a long-distance specialist who set world records with the Touareg's first two generations.
I was very excited to see how this Touareg is performing, as I've driven two Touareg generations before for the world record. I just can say great comfort, great luxury, superior feeling inside the car. Also the potholes on the roads quite deep. East Kazakhstan was really challenging for the Touareg. Great performance from the Touareg, and I'm pretty sure this car will be a great success as the Touaregs before.
The trip started at the Volkswagen factory in Bratislava, where the Touareg has been made since 2002. From there, the adventurer and his team drove across a wintry Europe, and then due east, to Kazakhstan, for example, through ravines and across frozen landscapes. The route presented great challenges, and the Touareg, Volkswagen's new flagship SUV, mastered them all, almost effortlessly, employing the latest technology like night vision assist. The all-rounder proved itself on the road and off. It showed that it is at home in any kind of terrain, and that it's perfect in front of spectacular backgrounds.
Lake Baikal and also East Kazakhstan was a challenge for us. I've been on Lake Baikal before with other expeditions, but this time with the new Touareg. And in East Kazakhstan we had this big pothole, so I must say we've been quite excited how these two situations for the Touareg can challenge this car, but great performed, and I'm happy to be here now.
The new Touareg, an eye-catcher, even in camouflage. This car is simply famous, known all over the world, and popular. Rainer Zietlow, his team, and the Touareg. Wherever they turn up, they're treated like rock stars.
I must say, at every stop we had, fuel station, supermarket, or other stops in the evening, lots of people come to us and ask us, is this the new Touareg? Is this the new car now from Volkswagen? Yes, it is. It was great for me to communicate with these people, and I'm proud that I could make that trip.
The world record-holding driver himself is excited too. The new Touareg mastered the 16,500 kilometers famously, while providing a world of comfort for its driver, thanks to the best of Volkswagen technology. A luxury sedan with the abilities of an off-roader. It offers many novelties, such as the intersection assist feature. It recognizes potentially dangerous exits or intersections even before they come into view.
In conclusion of my drive from Bratislava to Peking, I must say this was a great car. The new Touareg third generation really convinces me. The air suspension, the comfortable ride, and also the infotainment system inside is really a perfect system for the Touareg. Its package is great, and I'm pretty sure this new generation of Touareg will perform as well as the other generations of Touareg before.
16,500 kilometers in 21 days, passing through 11 countries. The new Touareg brought Rainer Zietlow and his team to their destination, Beijing. It did it on time, safely, and in comfort. Also in Beijing, the new Volkswagen Touareg will celebrate its premiere on March 23rd.